It was a good idea, frankly. That's probably why they're still in demand. Would you believe I had the chance to buy one of these once? Granted, in pretty rough condition, rough but running condition, for $800 back in, it's about 1999. Somebody was willing to sell me one of these. Had to pass up on it, didn't have the room. Tragedy. Tragedy. So many good deals I had to pass up over the years because I just didn't have room to keep it. But this thing is sweet. 82 Packard. I mean, really, it's a Buick Riviera. I mean, come on, it's a G-body. It's just another G-body car, but that's pretty sweet. I can dig that. Very bizarre. This museum is very dimly lit, so I apologize about the poor lighting conditions. These GoPros do not like low lighting conditions. Anyway, that is most of Auburn, Indiana for you. Definitely worth stopping by if you're anywhere near the area.